Hey, if you're interested in drawing from imagination, you may want to learn how to manipulate the basic forms. That's an essential skill to have to create more interesting and believable art. In this video, I'll show you 3 manipulations every beginner should know. I'm Anna, and on this channel, I'll show how I'm learning to draw. The first manipulation is bending. I started by practicing bending in a box and used the RoboBean as my reference. The RoboBean is a way to draw the torso, showing gesture and instruction in perspective. Since I want to learn figure drawing, using the RoboBean was a good way to study two things at the same time. So, to bend a box or a torso, you will draw two boxes leaning over each other. One thing I noticed is that these edges are parallel, and keeping that in mind helped me draw the second box. After drawing the boxes, you connect the corners with lines stretching on one side and folding on the other. Next, I practiced bending cylinders using the same method as the box. First, I drew the cylinders, then connected the edges and drew the folds. Learning this can also be used in figure drawing to draw a bending arm or leg. The second manipulation is a twist. I also used the RoboBean on this one, and it's the same process we did when bending. The only difference is that instead of leaning the boxes, we draw them with different rotations. Then you connect the corners, twisting the lines. This is the hardest part for me because it's kinda hard to intuitively know how to draw the lines to make them look like they go around the form. My suggestion is to look at references and learn how these lines should be drawn from the angle you're aiming at. The last manipulation I practiced was slicing. Slicing is taking a basic form and cutting part of it. I found this exercise super useful because you are forced to think about these basic forms differently. Like, what parts will be shown and what parts will be hidden looking from this angle. So that's how I study form manipulation. If you'd like to know more about the 5 basic forms, I made a video on how I learned to draw them at different angles. Go check it out. I'll see you next time.